I took a break from videos because most of the things I was doing weren't really project shaped. And it's now the week after Christmas. Power went out on Monday morning, and I got out and thought that it was just us. I saw a little limb near our utility pole, called it in. They're very polite, took the report, but it pretty quickly became clear that it was a bigger outage than I had thought. It still has the sawmill extra long bar and ripping chain on it, but turns out that's going to work okay. Didn't have internet yet, so started clearing the road, and that took a couple hours. After I got internet back up, realized that there were 60,000 people in the area without power, and it was going to be a while. So the one good thing we've got outdoor refrigeration. A couple of days later, I went out to the county maintained road, and there's still a bunch of downed wires and pretty significant limbs in the way. There was a deer over there. We're now on day 6 of no power, and I don't know how long this is going to last, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here and try to edit it up. We've been on generator power for the last 4 days and cycling through which appliances are running, which has been not a lot of fun. All right.